Hello, my friends. I'd really like it if you could attend one of my educational classes. They're 3 hours long. They're free. They allow block hours for real estate agents. Great educational information. But if you can't make that, I at least want to share with you a couple facts that most people don't seem to know, and they could really make a big difference in you and your friends and family's lives. So, what I'm going to share with you is just a couple of the major facts that people don't seem to know. They think they're going to give up their home when they do a reverse mortgage. You keep the title to your home. All you do is taking out a mortgage, just like any refinance. It's just that this one doesn't come with payments. You don't have to make payments to it. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. There are some basic credit and income qualifications. We want to make sure people who take out a reverse mortgage are going to be in a position to stay in their home, because that was their whole idea when they took it out, right? So we want to make sure you pay your bills generally on time, that you are able to pay your taxes and your insurance, because that is really the only obligation that comes with it. You get tax-free cash from equity, so any money you pull out from the reverse mortgage, it's not taxable. It doesn't affect your income and any of the other benefits you might be receiving. So it's important to know that part. There's never a monthly payment as long as you live in the home. You never have to make a payment as long as one of you is still living in the home. So you are responsible for the maintenance on the home, just like you are now, the taxes and insurance, just like you are now. It just, you got to make sure you're able to pay those. And again, that's as long as you're occupying the home. So an important thing to know is that this loan does not require repayment until the last living borrower permanently leaves the home. So you could have, if you or your spouse ends up in long-term care, that doesn't mean the other spouse has to leave the home. If something happens to the other spouse, they were to pass away, doesn't mean anybody's got to leave the home. You never have to make a payment. If you have a line of credit from the home, you get to keep receiving that money, doesn't matter. Or if you decide to sell the property, you can do that at any time. So again, you can make optional payments, or you can not make payments ever, as long as you're living in the home. No matter what happens in the economy, the market, your income, your health, you never owe more than the home value. FHA guarantees they will pay any extra money if when you go to sell the home, if for somehow there was able to be more owed than the home is worth. That is a guarantee by FHA. And the most important part, especially I want to share with real estate agents, you are able to purchase a home with a reverse mortgage. I'm amazed how many agents don't know that. It's okay. Nobody's out there telling you about it like we are trying to. So if you if you have a client who's in a home and it's not their forever home, they want to sell, but they're not sure where they're going to move, you can sell their house, you can list and sell their home. Will help them buy another home with the reverse mortgage. That means they don't have to put as much money down, and they will never have a payment as long as they live. That's a pretty cool opportunity. And some agents feel like a reverse mortgage is taking their client away from them. It's actually allowing you to do two transactions for those clients. I know you're just looking out for what's in your client's best interest. This, in most cases, is in their best interest. So please keep that in mind as you're working with clients, and if they're 62 or older and they've got some interest in potentially owning a home, introduce them to me or another reverse mortgage specialist, and let's please see that we can help them. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it, and have a great day. Talk to you soon.